we, we didn't pay attention that at that time. No
Yeah,
honey.
if it's been, you say a couple years, you think?
This one or 2 years.
Yeah, that's going to be quite a hive.
I'll be a lighter honey.
So yeah, that it looks like it could possibly be accessed from the outside.
Yeah.
Is there leaking upstairs?
No,
Just
no,
downstairs.
yeah,
Is it in the ceiling or on the wall?
You mean the honey?
Yeah, like the where you can see the stain through the drywall. Is it on the ceiling or is it just on the wall?
On the wall.
Okay.
Because the old house they don't have insulation. When we fix the window,
Yeah.
it's just the wood, but
And it looks like you tried to block them off.
Yeah.
So the worst thing is if you try to kill. Put the light in here. Oops. I'm sure I put a light in here. Okay, let's see. Put a light on the subject here. It's a whole nother piece of wood, it looks like. So I don't see, there's just a tiny bit of old brood. No fresh eggs. So I guess I'll try to frame up. There's some bee bread. See, just nothing. There's probably, well, there's that much honey in the bottom of that bag right there. Like here's just a tiny, tiny bit of brood. There's, it might be viable. Is that somebody hatching? I might check that. So I'll probably frame that little piece, but it's really nothing. Here's a little bit more on this side. I haven't found any supersedure cells. There were some swarm cells on the bottom that were open. There's robbing going on. There's a little bit of brood, but nothing. Wait. Yeah, no, that's bee bread. Okay, there's some jelly. I'm gonna put that on. So I think there may still be a queen in here. You see that little tiny bit of royal jelly there. A little bit on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put that here. It's gonna have to go like this. And then this one, let me see. Bee bread, a little tiny bit. A little bit of like jelly, nothing real fresh. A couple little cells that are getting ready. Couple little pieces of brood. Nothing new though. Bee bread, a little bit of honey. So I got to take that sill plate off because they're up to the bottom of that window. All right, I got the hive up there.